Hi Sagittarius, this is Chao with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for August 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called to dive into this butterfly oracle deck right here. We will also use Celtic Lenormand for a message to wrap up this reading. Sagittarius, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading without wasting any further time. Towards the final days of July, stepping into August 2021, we have the Queen of Pentacles. Possibly you had made gains, but then you may also have felt a bit let down by people around you. I think you may have gotten insight into your life, maybe things were being revealed. It's also likely that Sagittarians, you had to assert yourself rather than let people take you for granted. I think many of you were also dealing with a health issue, but then some respite was at hand. Because to overcome or the challenges that August is going to present for Sagittarians worldwide is the Ten of Wands. I think excess pressure is going to something which you should be mindful of. Tension could also mount. Maybe you want to forge ahead, but then your family members may not be too keen with your plans and ideas. Perhaps they think that those plans will not amount to anything. Perhaps you should listen to them as well. Basically, Sagittarians, you have to make those adjustments. Maybe you have to give in, but then you will question your elders. Maybe you think why you need to surrender to what the other person is saying always. Financially, also, you may be feeling the strain this month. For this month, we have the Eight of Swords. You see this lady, she seems to be surrounded by the swords energy. Maybe knives are also being sharpened behind your back. I think you should get rid of the negative energy which is encircling you this month. Sometimes, you could be socializing a bit, but then there'll be also those days when you may feel maybe your health could also be something which you should safeguard this month. I think you could also be somebody who has to have a very flexible approach. Maybe you're somebody who's changing your plans. It would also be prudent, Sagittarians, if you would not jump the gun. Maybe you're going to assume too much. On the work front also, Sagittarians, I think if you want to make inroads or if you want to make gains, then you should use guile. Nevertheless, you're somebody who's going to force yourself, or you're going to push the envelope, and you will complete what you set out to do. It is your determination and your drive that sees you achieve your ends this month. The first 10 days of August, we have the Page of Pentacles. Minor gains can be expected in the first 10 days. Communication will also increase in this period. Possibly you're also somebody who's going to be the wise owl. Others will seek your good counsel. Maybe they have problems at hand and they think that you're the best person to turn to. In this period, many Sagittarians, you could be applying for jobs, but then you may not be too happy with the job prospects. Maybe the offers are not to your liking. Incidentally, those of you who are in the consultancy business, I think you can get offers for the same as well. While working, I think you will feel the strain because you're going to be overworked. Maybe colleagues are also on leave. That is why you have to step up and take responsibility. Besides, I think there are no replacements, so the onus is entirely on you. It's possible that you're somebody who wants to do the task, so you will get up early, or maybe you will work late into the night. While dealing with clients, it would be prudent to extract your dues, or you should take an advance before you commence with the work. Maybe clients are not going to be open-handed towards you. I think in these days also your boss could saddle you with work at short notice. Maybe he could expect you to present a presentation, and this could leave you a bit unnerved as well. Nevertheless, I think your colleagues will rally around you. They will help you out. Frustration could also mount because of equipment which is at your disposal. Maybe it's malfunctioning. Next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th August, we have the Wheel of Fortune. We did clarify the Wheel of Fortune, and we do have the King of Swords. Certainly, you're going to have to deal with technical work or paperwork. I think while working also, you should be very careful. You should read between the lines before signing official documents. Perhaps this month, you should not trust everybody with your financial matters. Even on the social media, you should lie low. Maybe it's not the best time to promote yourself on the social media, especially during the first 10 days. Nevertheless, between 11th to 20th August also communication will also increase in this time. You have to handle the tasks that come up all of a sudden. Maybe you're somebody who wants to take your time, or you want to bide your time before you proceed with the task, but then your family elders, possibly a father figure, or even on the work front, the male figure or a male superior could expect you to do the task right away. Perhaps he thinks that you don't show any urgency. Sagittarians, this month you will also benefit if you brainstorm with your family elders. Maybe you could deliberate with your superior at work as well. Incidentally, money could also be the bone of contention in your relationship. I think in legal matters also you can expect positive development in this time. Some of you may also be contemplating about signing up for an educational course, but then you need to think twice, or maybe you should do the groundwork before you sign up for that degree course. Largely official work is going to take up your time in this period. 21st to 31st August we have the 5 of Cups. Emotionally, it could be a very low period for you. Maybe there's a distance in a relationship here, or maybe mistrust could also creep in. Some of you could also be quite indifferent and aloof towards family members. Maybe you should weigh your words carefully. Again, Sagittarians, it would be best to clarify before jumping the gun. Even on the work front, you could be a bit distracted. Perhaps you should also keep your cards close to your chest. Maybe you should not reveal your plans in public. Certainly, Sagittarians, you will have to accept God's plans in your life. With respect to your love life, we have this card separation. Sagittarians, you may be dealing with a rift in a relationship, or there could be an estrangement in a love connection here. Possibly, you have to understand, or you need to walk away from those relationships which are not doing you any good. Nevertheless, I think single Sagittarians, you can expect marriage proposals, maybe on a matrimonial site or on a dating site. Possibly behind your back, your family members are also checking up prospective suitors on matchmaking sites. Incidentally, many of you could also reject prospective suitors. Maybe you're going to leave them heartbroken. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you will continue to cyberstalk this person. Perhaps you should give this person the time and space that he needs to understand what is it that he wants from this relationship. Sagittarians, in case yours is an on again, off again relationship, I think this is the best time if you want to rekindle the romance. Perhaps you should acknowledge your feelings for each other and bridge the distance that is there. Romancing Sagittarians, I think you will plan date nights. Maybe there will be movie dates or restaurant trips. But some of your plans may also fizzle out. Maybe your respective schedules could play havoc in this connection. I think your person is also quite insecure this month. Possibly he fears that he could return to your ex-flame. But you're going to reassure him that you're not going to do any such thing. Certainly this month you will also be better served if you're more romantic in the connection. Maybe you should listen to what your lover is trying to convey rather than interrupt. Basically, you should let him reveal his innermost secrets. At times, the closeness could overwhelm you, but then there'll also be those days when there could be a distance. Possibly this person is also busy on account of work. By the way, Sagittarians, you're also going to deal with opposition with respect to your love life. Maybe your family elders want you to put an end to this relationship. Somebody could also talk about your secret romance with your family elders. That is why you may wonder who has let the cat out of the bag. I think prying eyes could also stifle you this month. Married Sagittarians, I think you will be concerned about the health of your spouse. Possibly you could also be a bit anxious because your spouse will talk about family foes or those who are going to harm the family's interest. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you want to walk away from this relationship. Possibly you're dealing with a suspicious partner. Sometimes, you could have a heated exchange with your person. That is why you want to walk out of this relationship. Perhaps you want to separate from this person. Sagittarians should not put up with abuse of any kind. Largely, you want to feel acknowledged in this relationship. You want your person to be mindful of your needs. From Lenormand, we do have this card, Lily, which does talk about purity, fertility, harmony. Maybe you're being called upon to find peace and harmony in whatever situation you find yourself in. I think you should not let your poise desert you. Possibly some of you could also be dealing with an older person, because we did have the King of Swords in your reading. From the Butterfly Oracle deck, we have the card Welcome the New. New possibilities are emerging in your life this month, and you are being asked to embrace the changes that are going to be there. This new can also change the status quo, but this is also going to give you the impetus that you need to move forward in life. Maybe some of you should plan that trip, or you should try something completely new and different. Perhaps this could turn out to be a blessing and give you the joy that you desire in life this month. I hope Sagittarians, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.